The world of artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever, and at the heart of this transformation is DeepSeek AI. By harnessing advanced AI algorithms and computational power, DeepSeek AI is set to revolutionize how we approach complex problems, create new technological solutions, and redefine how we interact with intelligent systems. In this video, we'll explore what DeepSeek AI brings to the forefront of innovation, its key capabilities, and how it's shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek AI is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence model developed to tackle complex tasks across various domains. It utilizes advanced neural network architectures and vast datasets to provide sophisticated problem-solving abilities and generate insightful outputs. From excelling in coding and mathematical reasoning to pushing the boundaries of language understanding, DeepSeek AI is transforming how we leverage intelligent systems. But what does this mean for the everyday user and various industries? Let's find out. Part 2. The rise of advanced AI capabilities. By bridging the gap between complex computational challenges and intelligent solutions, DeepSeek AI is creating a new era of advanced AI capabilities. These AI-powered features aim to simplify intricate tasks, enhance analytical power, and provide a more intelligent and seamless problem-solving experience. Part 3. Natural code generation and development, sculpting the digital world. DeepSeek AI allows developers to break free from traditional coding constraints. Imagine generating complex code structures with natural language prompts, accelerating the development process and fostering innovation. This technology provides direct, intelligent assistance in software creation, enabling faster iteration, more robust designs, and a deeper connection between the programmer and their digital creation. It's not just about speed, it's about unlocking new levels of efficiency and creativity in software development. Part 4. Precise data analysis and insights, guiding decisions in critical procedures. In various data-driven fields, precision in analysis is paramount. DeepSeek AI allows researchers and analysts to manipulate and interpret complex datasets with incredible accuracy. Imagine navigating intricate data landscapes with intelligent queries or controlling analytical tools with unparalleled sophistication. This technology has the potential to revolutionize scientific discovery, enhance business intelligence, and improve decision-making by providing a more intuitive and responsive analytical interface. Part 5. Immersive virtual simulations and environments, stepping into the digital realm. The creation of realistic and interactive virtual environments relies heavily on sophisticated AI. DeepSeek AI can contribute to generating complex scenarios and behaviors within virtual spaces. Imagine interacting with virtual environments populated by intelligent agents or creating highly realistic training simulations. This technology enhances immersion, engagement, and realism in VR experiences, opening up new possibilities for education, entertainment, and research. Part 6. Enhanced accessibility for complex problem-solving, bridging the knowledge divide. DeepSeek AI has the potential to transform how individuals approach complex problems, regardless of their technical background. By providing an intelligent and accessible way to interact with sophisticated analytical tools, it opens up new opportunities for learning, innovation, and problem-solving. Imagine querying vast knowledge bases with natural language or using AI to assist in complex reasoning tasks. This technology empowers individuals to participate more fully in the world of advanced problem-solving. Part 7. Intelligent control in automation and robotics, shaping the future of industry. In industrial settings, intelligent automation is key. DeepSeek AI allows for more sophisticated and adaptive control of robotic systems and automated processes. Imagine robots that can learn and adjust their behavior based on real-time data, or automated systems that can optimize complex workflows. This technology has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing, logistics, and other industries by providing a more intelligent and efficient way to manage complex operations. Part 8. Streamlined information processing and knowledge synthesis. Unlocking insights through interaction. The ability to process and synthesize vast amounts of information is crucial in many fields. DeepSeek AI enables users to interact with complex information landscapes in a more intuitive and engaging manner. Imagine querying massive databases with natural language or generating concise summaries of complex documents. This technology can help users uncover hidden insights, identify patterns, and make more informed decisions. Part 9. Interactive learning platforms and personalized education, engaging learners with intelligent assistance. Educational platforms are becoming increasingly intelligent and personalized. DeepSeek AI can provide a more dynamic and engaging way to learn and interact with educational content. Imagine intelligent tutoring systems that adapt to individual learning styles, or AI assistants that can answer complex questions in real time. This technology can enhance learner engagement, improve educational outcomes, and make learning more accessible. Part 10. The future of DeepSeek AI, expanding the boundaries of artificial intelligence. The future of DeepSeek AI is bright. As AI research and development continue to advance, we can expect even more powerful and versatile intelligent systems. Imagine AI models that can seamlessly integrate with various technologies and assist humans in tackling some of the world's most challenging problems. This technology has the potential to revolutionize how we live, work, and interact with information, making intelligence more accessible, intuitive, and human-centered.